Hello, ma'am. I am James Howard Saldia from BSHM 3A, and today I will discuss about the Chapter 4, Law on Partnership and Cooperation. So our topic outline today, Law on Partnership, discussion of the law, essential requisite of partnership, advantages of forming a partnership, disadvantages of forming a partnership, classification of partnership, form of partnership, obligation of partners, dissolutions and wielding up of a partnership, orders of litigation for a general partnership, order of litigation for a limited partnership, law on cooperation, kinds of cooperation, advantages of corporate organization, disadvantages of a corporate organization, distinction between a partnership and a corporation, steps in the creation and the organization of a corporation, contents of the articles of incorporation, bylaws, stock corporation, signatures of all incorporators, requirements for registration of business name under DTI, requirements for acquiring a business permit with the city or municipality mayor, requirements for registration of business under the Bureau of Internal Revenue, requirements for registration at the Social Security System. So our learning objectives differentiate the various kinds of partnerships and corporations and the responsibilities of partners and incorporators. Second, identify the requirements in the formation and dissolution of partnerships and corporations. Law on partnership. The law. The Article 1767 by the contract of partnership, two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund with the intention of dividing the profits among themselves. Discussion of the law. A partnership is an association of two or more persons to carry on as a co-owners of a business for profits. The definition of the partnerships does not include religious associations, conjugal partnerships, and other of similar nature because of a partnerships as a defined by law refers only to association, the purpose of which is to obtain profits to be distributed among the partners and partnerships. Contracts is based on a trust and confidence, hence and fiduciary relations in the partnerships stems from the principle of delictus personae, wherein no one can become a partner in a partnership without the concept of all partners. There are two essential requisites of partnerships. First, an agreement to contribute money, property, industry to a common fund. This is complied with if each one of the partners bring or it obligate to bring something to the partnerships. That which is brought become a common property. And second, intend to divide the profits among themselves. This is to comply with if partnerships is established to obtain profits. Profits must be a common to all parties. Profit or loss must be divided among the partners. Advantages of forming a partnerships. First, easy to form. Second, improve growth possibilities. Third, freedom from bureaucracy. The disadvantages of forming a partnerships. First, stability. Second, difficulty into obtaining a large sum of capital. Third, firm is tied to the act of judgment of the one partner as agent. And lastly, the difficulty in serving partnership ties. Classifications of a partnerships. First, according to the subject matter, A. Universal partnership. Second, particular partnership. Second, according to the liability, A. General partnership. Second, limited partnership. And last, according to a duration, a partnership form a fixed term. Forms of a partnerships. A partnership can be in any form even if not recorded at the Office of the Securities and Exchange Commission except when it is stipulated when immovable property or real rights are contributed, in which case there must be a public instrument to which is attached an inventory of the immovable properties and signed by the parties. Otherwise, the partnership is a void. In case of a limited partnership, the parties must be assign and swear to a certificate which should state, among others, the name of the partnership, adding the word limited, and the character of the business, or file for the record for the certificate in the office in the Securities Exchange Commission. Obligations of the partners, where contribution is a money or property. Second, where the contribution is industry. Third, obligation of the capitalist partners. Fourth, responsibility between partnership and the partner. Fifth, sharing of profit and loss among the partners. Sixth, properties right of the partners. Seven, liability of the individual partners to third persons. 8. Liability of the partners. Dissolution of winding up of a partnership. The law, Article 1830, dissolution is a cause. First, without violation of the agreement between the partners, by the termination of the definite term, and by the express will of the partners, and by the express will of all the partners who have not assigned their interests, by the explosion of the partners for a business bona fide in accordance. Second, in contravention of the agreement between the partners. Third, by any event which makes it unfold when a specific thing, by the death of any partners. 6. By the insolvency of any partners of the partnerships. 7. By the civil interdiction of any partners. 8. By a decree of court under the following articles. The law, Article 1831, on application by or for a partner, the court shall be decree of a dissolution whenever a partner has been declared insane in any judicial proceeding. A partner becomes any other may incapable. A partner has been guilty of such conduct. A partner will fully or presently commit a breach of the partnership agreement. The business of the partnership can only be carried on at a loss. Other circumstances render dissolution equitable. The law on the application of the purchaser of the partners enters under Article 1813 or 1814. After the termination of specific term or particular undertaking, at any time the partnership as partnership, at will when the interest was assigned or when the charging order was issued. Order of liquidation of a general partnership. The law, Article 1839, and settling accounts between the partners after dissolution, the following rules should be observed subject to any agreement to the contrary. The liabilities of the partners should be ranked in an order of payment as follows. First, those owing the creditors other than the partners. Second, the owing to partners other than the capital and profit. Third, those owing to partners in respect and capital. And lastly, those owing the partners in respect of profits. Our order of liquidation for a limited partnership, the law, Article 1863, In settling account from dissolution, the liabilities of the partnership should be entitled to payment in the following order. First, those to creditors in the order of priority as provided by law, except those the limited partners on the account of their contributions and general partners. Second, those limited partners in respect to their share of the profits and the other compensation by way of income on their contributions. Third, those limited partners in respect to the capital of their contributions. Fourth, those to general partners other than capital contributions. Fifth, those to general partners in respect to profit. Six, those to general partners in respect to the capital. Law on corporation. The law, Section 2, corporation define corporation is an artificial being created by operation of law, having the right of succession and the powers, attributes, and properties expressly authorized by law or accident to existence. Kinds of corporation. First, stock corporation. Second, non-stock corporation. Third, corporation de jure. Fourth, de facto corporation. Fifth, public corporation. Sixth, private corporation. Seven, corporation sole. Eight, elementary corporation. Nine, domestic corporation. And lastly, foreign corporation. Advantages of corporate organization. First, strong separate juridical personality. Second, limited liability to investors. Third, free transferability of units of ownership. Fourth, centralized management through the board of directors. Fifth, professionalism, easier to sell a small amount of stock to raise capital. The disadvantages of corporate organization. First, extensive government regulation. Second, double taxation. Third, activities are limited by charter or various laws. The distinction between a partner and corporation. A partnership is created by agreement of parties. Second, in a partnership, the liability of partners. Third, in a partnership, when the management is not agreed upon. Fourth, a partnership commits the acquired juridical personality. Fifth, a partnership may be organized by only two persons. Sixth, a partnership has no right of successions. Seven, a partners cannot transfer his interest into the partnership without the consent of all the partners. Eight, partnership may be established for any period of time stipulated by the partners. 9. A partnership may be dissolved at any time by the will of any. Steps in the creation of organization of a corporation. First, promotion. Second, incorporation, Section 10, and formal organization at the commence of the business operation of the Section 22. Contents of the articles of incorporation. First, the name of the corporation. Second, the specific purpose or purposes for which of the corporation was incorporated. Third, the place where the principal office of the corporation is located. Fourth, the term for which the corporation is to exist. Fifth, the names of nationalities and residents of incorporators. A natural person, not less than 5 but more than 15 incorporators. Of legal age, majority must be resident of Philippines, must own at least one share of the capital of the corporation. The names of nationalities and residents of the incorporating board of directors until the first regular directors or trustee are duly elected and qualified. The following constitutions that minimum qualification of the board of directors: he must own at least one share in his own name. Majority of the corporate directors must be resident of the Philippines. C. He must be in convicted by the final judgment of the offense carrying the imprisonment existing 6 years or offense constituting a violation of the Corporation Code, the authorized capital stock, and the amount of subscribed by a paid of stockholders and corporators. Bylaws Stocks Corporation, Article 1, Subscription, Insurance, and Transfer of Shares, Section 1, Subscriptions, Section 2, Certificates, Section 3, Transfer of Shares, Section 4, Loss of Certificates, Article 2, Meetings of Stockholders, Section 1, Regular Meetings, Section 2, Special Meetings, Section 3, Place of Meeting, Section 4, Notice of Meeting, Section 5, a quorum, Section 6, Conduct of Meeting, Section 7, Manner of Voting, Section 8, Closing of Transfer Books of Fixing of Record Date. Article 4, Board of Directors, Section 1, Powers of the Board, Section 2, Election on Terms, Section 3, Vacancies, Section 4, Meetings, Section 5, Notice, Section 6, Quorum, Section 7, Conduct Meetings, Section 8, Compensation. Article 5, Officers, Section 1, Election Appointment, Section 2, Chairman of the Board, Section 3, President, Section 4, the Vice President, Section 5, the Secretary, Section 6, Treasurer, Section 7, Terms of Office, Section 8, Vacancies, Section 9, Compensation. Section 6, Section 1, Office. Article 7, Audits of Books, Fiscal Year and Dividends. Section 1, External Auditors. Section 2, Fiscal Year. Section 3, Dividends. Articles 8, Amendments. Section 1, Amendments. Article 9, Adoption of Clause. The foregoing bylaws was adopted by all the stakeholders of the corporation at the principal office of the corporation. Signatures of all incorporators. Liability of the board of directors. First, concept. Second, remedies in case of mismanagement. Third, liability. Fourth, disloyalty of a director. Requirements for registration of a business name under the DTI. First, a partnership. Article of the partnership, birth certificate of all the partners without their 2x2 pictures. Second, for the corporations, article of incorporations by the law, certificate of incorporation, birth certificate of all incorporators with their 2x2 pictures. Requirements for acquiring a business permit with the city or municipal mayor. First, barangay or police clearance. Second, certificate of registration with the DTI. Third, articles of partnerships, article of incorporation, and by a law. Last, payment of fees depending on the capital stock or amount the capital declared. Requirements for registration of a business under the Bureau of Internal Revenue. To acquire a tax identification number, business permit from a local government unit concerned, certificate of registration with the DTI, articles of partnerships, articles of incorporation, and by the laws, 500 pesos annual registration fee. Requirements for registration at the Social Security System. To acquire SSS number and a PhilHealth number, business permit from a local government and unit, certificate of registration with the DTI, articles of partnership, article of incorporation by the law. Thank you.